People say Gen Z is bad with money. They spend too much. They invest wrong. They don't save. But what if money just got harder? Because this generation didn't ignore the rules. The rules changed while they were growing up. Let's compare generations, not habits, conditions. A generation ago, rent was manageable, education was cheaper, and wages actually kept up. Today, rent eats half a paycheck, groceries jump month to month, and entry-level jobs ask for 5 years of experience. Same effort, very different game. People ask, why doesn't Gen Z save? Because when cash loses value, saving stops feeling safe. If prices rise faster than your bank balance, holding cash feels like falling behind. So Gen Z adapts. They don't sit on money, they move it. That's why Gen Z invests earlier than any generation before. Not because they're greedy, because cash feels fragile. Fractional shares, apps, crypto, side hustles. It's not about getting rich, it's about keeping up. Here's the real problem. The rules changed, but no one explained the new ones. Advice got louder, timelines got shorter, and mistakes got more expensive. So Gen Z is learning money in real time, in public. Gen Z isn't bad with money. They're rational. They are adaptive. They're reacting to pressure. The problem isn't Gen Z, it's pretending the game never changed. I'm Leo, your wealth guide. See you in the next video.